there, friends. This is Shozy. I haven't filmed in a long time. I have so many videos, and YouTube took away so many of my rights that I decided, well, I don't need YouTube. I don't need a video. Plus, I've been so busy with work and animals and so forth and creating that it's been really fun just to not have that responsibility. But I miss you all. I just wanted to let you know that. And thank you for subscribing and being loyal and watching all the other videos. So that's pretty cool. But now I have an opening for you. And I have some other things that I wanted to catch you up on. And this is from Rolling Rock Dolls. And she created this especially for me, which is really super fun. Oh my gosh, I've got so many things that I wanted to catch you up on. I created, if you watch or look at my Instagram, sorry, you'll see all the great things that I have been, sorry, this is really close up, but I don't want to stop, making. I made a Lily Munster doll, one of a kind, and a Faba doll. Oh my gosh, and these are both of them. I knew it. She said it would take her maybe 4 to 6 weeks. This girl is awesome. You got to check her out. Rolling Rock Dolls on Etsy. These are absolutely gorgeous. I knew I would love them. I wanted these in black. This was in deep navy blue, and it was gorgeous. I knew it was going to be gorgeous, but I wanted it in black. And then this was in like a yellow or gold, bright gold color. And again, I wanted it in black. Because I was looking for something for my Wicked doll, but these are going to be for something else altogether now because they're just so glamorous. I just can't, because I went with something else for the Wicked doll because I wanted to get her finished, my Alphaba. I wanted to get her finished. So I created something else for her altogether, but these are just gorgeous. Look at this. This is called a mermaid dress, and I'll put them on. This is just simply beautiful. So she went out and found the fabric specifically and all of the little decorative touches, and I just love it. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. It is just incredible. Look at the flounce. Just beautiful. Oh, and the inseams here. This is the tucks and everything. So beautiful. And then this is so cool because it's high in the front, right here, and low in the back. It has a train. I love that. And look at this. It's sequined. It's like a sequin top with, yeah, see, it's got the little, this is the arms right here in the sleeves, basically right here and here. See that? So wait till you see these on. They're going to be gorgeous. And the back is just this long train. It's so beautiful. So I tried to talk her into doing a Lily Munster dress for me, but she's just swamped right now. She can't do anything custom like that, so I'm going to have to probably tackle that myself. But these are beautiful. These are just absolutely gorgeous. My time is just so limited because I tell you, I spend 4 to 5 hours a day just with the piggies and this guy, this Rocket here. Hey, Rocket. Hey, Rocket. Yeah. And then I spend 10.5 hours at work, so my time is extremely limited. And I mean, I have a sink full of dishes, and my house is like a disaster right now, just because of my first work, second work, on the weekends, and then, then spending time with them. And right now I've got like a migraine, so I had to take my secondary meds because my primary meds are not working. So, but I wanted to get this open because this is just, I mean, I can't even tell, you can't see how beautiful this is. This is just, I'm just not doing it justice. If it was a lighter color, you'd be able to see it, but I didn't want the lighter color. I wanted the dark color because see that? It's just beautiful. I just love it. I just love it. Thank you so much. It's just incredible. Both of them are incredible. I've got them on my stove, but my stove is clean. So it's just, that's the one clean thing probably in the house. But they're just beautiful. They're just gorgeous. So I'll put them on dolls and you can see them. I'm just going to find the right dolls to put them on, and then I'll put this together and air it for you. Okay, thanks so much for watching. And again, thank you for subscribing, being my friends, and watching my videos. I so appreciate that. You guys are great. YouTube sucks, but you guys are great. Okay, because they took away all of my ad. I'm not allowed to put ads on my videos anymore because I don't have 1,000 subscribers, which is so stupid. I mean, whatever. You know, if they're going to be so petty like that, whatever. But that's okay. I don't need 1,000 subscribers. I don't do it for YouTube, and I don't do it for the subscribers. I do it for me. I do it for fun and for you guys. So that I can, you know, I have like 70,000, 60 or 70,000 views on my videos. Some huge amount of views, but I have 300 something subscribers. But you know what? I don't do it for the subscribers. I do it for me. I mean, you know, to get subscribers, I do it for me and I do it for fun. I don't do it to make money. I mean, that'd be like a bonus. It'd be like the cherry on top of the icing, on top of the whipped cream, on top of the, you know, cake, on top of the creamy inside, on top of the, you know, it's just stupid. I mean, it's an outlet for me. It's a creative outlet for me. It's like why I paint my dolls. It's like why I do my makeovers on my dolls. It's like why I write my poetry, and why I write my creative nonfiction, and why I breathe and that sort of thing. You know, why I have my animals and all this sort of thing. You know, it's who I am. So anyway, off my soapbox now. Stepping down off my soapbox. This is me stepping down. Okay. All right. So you have a good evening. Take care. Love you.